Now for the Arduino to understand what the Jarvis is saying, like what the Jarvis wants the Arduino to do, we must have a specific sketch uploaded on our Arduino. Luckily for us, it is already available in the Arduino samples. So I will go here in the file section, and here you can see the examples. So I will go here in the examples, and in the example I will find the Firmata library right here. As we are also using the PyFirmata library for Python, so I will go here, and in here I will simply install this one, standard Firmata. So I will click it, and it has opened it in a new window. So it is right here. Now for uploading this code on our Arduino, I will connect my Arduino to my computer. It is connected now to my computer. So before uploading the code, I will go to the tools here and make sure that the accurate board is connected. Since I am using the Arduino Nano, Arduino Nano is connected, and then I will make sure that the active port is connected. As you can see it right here, that it is saying that my current act port which is selected is COM7, but in the port number I have the communication port number 8 which is connected to my Arduino. So I will connect it, and now I will upload the code to my Arduino. It is compiling the sketch, and then after compilation is finished, it will start uploading it to my Arduino. Uploading is done. Now our Arduino is able to understand what the Python wants it to do. So we can convey our commands from the Python shell to the Arduino, and it will be able to understand and act accordingly. So let's move on to our Python programming now.